hey, it's Tell Her Tuesday. Listen, you need to hear this. 25% of families are fatherless. And of the families that have a father in the home, 46% of those men report that they are not as engaged with their family as they should be. What does that mean? That means that there is a lack, there's a deficit in the paternal voice, the male voice speaking destiny, speaking protection, speaking value into their sons and especially into their daughters. So, what does that look like? A young man without a father figure suffers with low self esteem. A female without that father figure will seek validation. So now you get the young man with the low self esteem overcompensating by trying to catch as many bodies as he can. And the female that is seeking validation will drop her standard just to satisfy the other person. You see why that's a recipe for disaster? I do. So this is just another Tell Her Tuesday. Listen, you are valuable, you are beautiful, and you need to know these things and understand these things. Why? So that you can demonstrate that God did not make a mistake. You were born on purpose, with a purpose, to fulfill a purpose. Listen, young ladies, know your value and do not sell yourself short. I'll see you next Tuesday.